Sterling Tools Ltd is a premier manufacturer of high tensile fasteners in India. STL was incorporated in 1979 and today has 3 large manufacturing facilities, all located in the Haryana state of India. They are the second largest manufacturer of fasteners in India. They have customers spread across India, the US, Europe, South America and the Middle East. STL's client list includes some of the most renowned names in the automobile industry, like Suzuki, General Motors, Tata Motors, Mahindra & Mahindra, Honda and Hero MotoCorp. STL is listed on the Bombay Stock Exchange. The leadership team at STL has the vision and understanding that if they want to reach the top, they will have to ride on a very sound IT backbone. They chose ebizframe ERP way back in 1995 and are running it successfully for over 2 decades now. Over all these years, STL has expanded rapidly, with ebizframe supporting this expansion by assuring a reliable IT backbone. They have added 2 new plants since the implementation of ebizframe in 1996, and the entire system has been scalable in accommodating new processes, new advancements, and 20 times growth in users over all these years. Today, STL relies completely on ebizframe ERP, a state-of-the-art ERP software from Eastern Software Systems. The relationship spread over more than 2 decades has only got deeper. Having won over STL's faith through its ERP ebizframe, Eastern Software now also manages the entire IT infrastructure for STL, which includes managing the ERP and other software like Escada, SolidWorks, MS Office, etc. ebizframe ERP and its associated systems help STL manage their large-scale operations distributed across multiple locations by lending agility and ensures stringent monitoring of processes at the same time. Apart from ebizframe ERP, ESS has also helped STL with specific business needs. Some of these are design of disaster recovery and high availability architecture, production feasibility estimation system, warehouse management system, a barcode-based goods receipt system for inter-unit material movement, a quick invoicing system to manage large number of invoices per day. STL produces a variety of fasteners for both 2-wheeler and 4-wheeler OEMs. They introduce around 200 new products every year and strive to deliver these high-quality products in the least possible time. Today, they produce more than 100 tons of finished products per day to meet JIT needs of a number of customers. Using ebizframe ERP, they have been able to achieve significant reductions in the order processing and production timelines that has led STL manage this tremendous growth in business volumes, which has led to greater customer satisfaction and increased business from their customers.
Sterling is a leading automotive fastener maker in India, and we aim to be the largest automotive fastener maker in the coming years. Our customers are all leading OEMs. Could be the Japanese transplants or Indian OEMs also. So our business is very complex, very dynamic. We live with a large variety of components. The complexity in our business is huge. And I think for us to run the business in a ready state and a growing state, we need to have very dynamic IT systems, IT processes. And we, as part of our strategy, we rely on Eastern Software Systems with their ERP, ebizframe, to run our IT processes. They have done a wonderful job in helping us grow, and I think they're a critical component in our future growth strategy. And we respect with the kind of service levels they've given us, and based on the past history with them and the way we are going, we've decided to make ESS our full-time service provider for all IT services across ERP, mailing systems, security, full range of IT services. We wish them well in all their endeavors.
ebizframe. Transform your business.